Have you ever heard of the term all the news that's fit to print? Is something that the New York Times has had as their motto for over a century. Well, today, news is actually an important commodity and something that people will pay for because they don't want to have to go to a million different websites to find information. And as such, there is a tremendous opportunity available when it comes to news. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming up in my review of Breaking News Empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they're really stale. I mean, they put the day old bread at the supermarket to shame. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very simple. It's to make sure that you do not buy much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Nobody ever wants crap. I don't think even you want it. I think you just like to say that, but nobody really wants it. Now, seriously, the way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hand to the product career. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Musician, scholar, rake, entrepreneur, conspiracy theorist.
No, just an entrepreneur, none of those things. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, the bell icon, be notified when we drop the videos. Frankly, subscribe. Doesn't make much on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Breaking News Empire. Now, this came from my friend Alessandro. Now, this is really interesting. Alessandro created a course all about NFTs. And there's a lot of interest. It's a big buzzword, with people that people want to know what is the latest about it, how to make money off of it, things like that. I personally never got the appeal of NFTs, just as an aside, but that's beside the point. The bottom line is, if it's something people are interested in, there's money to be made from it, then you might as well profit from that. And so basically what he, excuse me, what he did was he created a membership on a free website. He's going to teach you all about it inside of the course that he's going to give you. And he basically added some initial content. And then what he does is every day he does research, and he'll show you how to do the research. And you're going to do the research and basically add in additional content every single day. 5 to 10 minutes a day it takes to add the content in on specific niches and then make money off of them. And you can see here the kind of money that Alessandro's actually been able to make, the sales that he's made for his NFT and crypto products. Really makes a lot of money doing this. And it's something that is so easy to do. Now, of course, I do happen to have the best bonus around, I think, for Breaking News Empire. So first and foremost, what you really want to do is not focus on general news. General news, you're competing against the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the local newspapers, whatever else it is. What you want to focus on is a specific niche. Now, what I did was I actually gathered up 3 different niches that I'm going to give you access to content that you can start off with. Because yes, you're going to be adding in content on these niches every single time. But in order to get people hooked on it, what you want to do is give them something that is going to be about a specific niche right away. So you're going to have 3 niches. You can see below this video exactly which niches I've covered that are going to be included in the package for you. And you're going to have the content ready to roll for these specific niches. So you can just go ahead and put them in, and you'll have content already ready to go. Now, if you pick up any upgrade from me, then I'm going to increase that to 20 different niches. Okay, so pick up the main product, and I'm going to give you a total of 3 different niches that you'll have content available on. Pick up the upgrade, you're going to have 20 different niches that I'm going to give you content ready to go so that you can get started with putting together these very simple websites. There's a website you can host them completely, totally for free so that you can make money off of these simple sites that literally take about 5 to 10 minutes to make. Now, I'm going to show you the members area. And then we'll decide whether or not I am going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not. So basically, this is the members area, nothing special. It's basically just a download of your guide. It's a downloadable file. And then basically you're going to see here, there is a video on traffic generation as well. So he's going to show you how to drive traffic to the products that you're actually, to these membership sites. And again, he's going to show you a website that I've never heard of before, but it's really cool. You can set everything up for free. So it's all done for you. You don't have to actually do anything. It's all going to be done for you and completely, totally for free. You can, they'll take care of collecting the money for you. Everything is done. All you got to do is go ahead and sign people up. And again, he's going to show you how exactly that is done. And again, pick up the basic package from me. You're going to get 5 niches ready to go. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you 20 niches ready to go with content that you can basically populate your membership with, so you have initial content right away, so that people sign up and they say, oh, I see that there's quite a lot of stuff here already. And then basically once they've signed up, they're going to go ahead and start picking up additional stuff, because they're going to say, wow, you know, I see this great stuff. I'm going to stick around because I want to see what else this guy's going to come up with. So let's see if I'm going to give a tip and to the product creator or not.
I tip my hat to you.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. I really like this idea. It's fresh, it's new, it's different, something that really resonates and is going to make you money. And it's not the usual make money online ideas, which I think is amazing. Grab this, you're going to love it.